Hey, this is Jared and you're watching Backroad Exploration. Today I am out in Moab, Utah. I've spent the past few days here camping and exploring with a youth group from church. Yesterday we did a really cool rafting trip down the river. Before heading home today, I wanted to work on a little project I've been doing. I'm gonna do a little day trip trying to map out a new route that I want to utilize for getting all the way to the Moab area off-road from my home. And there's a section down this way that I have never been able to find like a connecting road without jumping on pavement. So I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring, see if I can't find something that will work. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for a quick day trip. Let's get going. Cruising along Potash Road right now, headed towards the Schaefer switchbacks. And then I'm gonna be looking at the map once I get up on top. See if I can't find a connecting route from kind of the island in the sky area over towards some of the Green River overlook trails. I'm not sure if you can do it. I'm hoping that I can. Might be kind of a cool way to map out, you know, a long dirt trip to Moab. You want to see something pretty cool? Check this out. I just wrapped up driving the Schaefer switchbacks, and no matter how many times I drive these, they're mind-blowing. I've done up and down. I definitely recommend starting at the top and making your way down. The view's just better that way. You have a really nice view out the driver's window the entire way down. But now it's time to go find some more dirt. I've seen a road that will go from this trail to another, that then connects to a trail I've done in the past, which means I should be able to finish kind of this little connection route that I want to do getting to Moab through the dirt. Well, I just jumped onto 10 Mile Road. I've been down this several times to do my Green River Overlook trip and a few others. So I'm happy that I was able to find kind of a cool route through there. Found some awesome places to camp and a few places I definitely want to go back and explore. If you enjoyed this quick little episode, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.